An update on the cyber attack impacting the city of Wichita.
The city saying that several more services are back to normal. That includes one that many of you have been asking about. 12 News reporter Julia Doctry has those details.
Rachel, the city announced this morning that all water services are back to normal and that Wichitans can expect to see their water bill sometime this week. This comes as the city is recovering from a cyber attack. The city says billing and payment processing systems are coming back online and auto payments are functioning as normal. Normal ways of payment, including the online payment portal, are accessible, as well as the city wants everyone to be aware that some bills are more than 60 days of service due to the attack. The city of Wichita says they are doing everything they can to help.
We always have payment plans for folks who are having difficulty, maybe just going through a rough time. You can call one of our water customer service reps at 316-265-1300. They will work with you and set you up on a payment plan.
The city also announced that public Wi-Fi has been restored to all libraries across the state. However, books will still need to be checked out manually.